So hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video, and y'all, I'm sorry for being inactive on YouTube. I just took a little break for myself, a much needed break, and now I'm ready to be back and filming. So for today's video, it's a productive day in my life. So right now I'm washing up and getting ready to go to Walmart to get all 4 of my tires changed. So basically 2 of my tires had like rips in them, and I just decided to change all 4 of my tires so they can all drive the same. So right now I'm just doing my skincare routine, and yeah, I finally found a routine that works for my skin, because if you know me, I have like very sensitive acne prone skin, and now I'm able to maintain my skin. So just be on the lookout for a skincare routine video real soon. I'm at the auto center, and yeah, I literally have all these 4 tires right here in the back. But yeah, my freaking car is so freaking messy. I'm gonna need to clean it up. So we just got the car checked out, and they're gonna replace like all 4 of the tires. So they're gonna take like 45 to an hour. I'm gonna need to get more packaging mail, because I sent out more packages today. Oh, what? This is only $79?
Dude, I can get this on sale.
Pretty nice furniture here in Walmart. But damn, this literally... Right, there's literally no one here at Walmart because we're here so early. Oh, 8-pack. So I'm gonna get one of this. This is the 8-pack. It's like this big. And I'm gonna get like a small one too. A card bag, and I got fresh new tires put on. It looks pretty good to me. Okay, so we're back home now, and now I'm making a chicken sandwich. So I just cut up the tomatoes and got the buns, and I have the chicken patties in the air fryer. Now I need to get some lettuce. Hi, say hello.
Hi. Look, a whoa.
Where?
Whoa.
Wow. Auntie.
Um.
Yeah, so we literally have like a whole garden behind our backyard. What are you doing, Riri? Oh my gosh! I didn't know you know how to work that. Come on. Plants are in progress. Yeah, look at the freaking lettuce. Isn't it so freaking gorgeous? And we're also like growing like some fruit trees right here. It hasn't grown yet. I don't know. Look, y'all, do you guys see all these fruits up here? This is the plum tree, but look at that. All right, come on, let's go, baby. So here's the chicken patty. It looks so freaking good. Okay guys, so right now I'm gonna like put all the clothes in the packaging. I'm gonna like send it out after I do all of that. I'm just gonna show you guys like the process of me doing this, you know, the packaging and stuff. I'm selling all of my clothes that I don't need or I don't wear anymore, or I've never worn before, on Instagram, Julie R Closet, and here's all the items I put up for now. So I'm also selling my birthday dress, so if you guys are interested, make sure you just go to my Instagram page, Julie R Closet, and you know, shoot me a DM if you are interested. It's first come, first served. I post new items daily. I'm gonna like pack up the orders and send them out today. So I got these bubble mailers, whatever, from Walmart, and they're pretty good. Like, they're pretty good quality. You can stretch it so it's not gonna rip. Alright, so I have my writing board right here. I got this like a while back ago, and it finally came in handy. I've never sent out packages before, and when I first, you know, did this, I was like, shit, what do I gotta do? Do I gotta like have a printing label, or like do I gotta have a stamp on the package? But literally all you gotta do is like write your, you know, name, your address, and then right there the person that you're sending to, address right there, and then put the items inside and just send it out like that. Like, I didn't know it was gonna be that easy. So I got this like little cards right here that I'm gonna like just write a thank you note. So I literally just write, you know, a little thank you card that says thank you for your purchase, and I just add this in the package. And I'm just gonna like add a little note card and take that off, and then just close it up. Seal it like that. So I'm gonna use the big nail for these cargo jeans. So this is all the package that I'm gonna ship out today. So I'm just gonna put it in a bag. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna like put on a little bit of makeup before I go out. Today I'm gonna go like to the store and, you know, drop off the packages. So as you can see, like I'm a little bit red right now. It's because I've been out and about, and whenever it's hot outside, I don't know if it's just me, but like I get red. I'm just gonna put like a little bit of concealer, like foundation on like my little acne scars, and then like some blush, and other than that I'm gonna be good. Not too much because like I don't want to put too much makeup on today, because like I'm trying to let my skin breathe. So that's all I'm gonna put on. I just put like a dab of it like right here on my cheek. Today's makeup look is just like this really simple dewy makeup look, because I'm trying to like limit on how much makeup I wear for the next like 4 weeks, because like I'm doing a whole chemical peel series. So right now I'm gonna go by the post office and drop off the packages. Alright guys, so I'm here at the post office. Okay, so now we're at 5 and Below. We're just gonna check out like some stuff there.
That's not 5 and Below, bro. And they need
Five.
that big hungry motherfucker.
Egg.
What is this? It's octopus.
Octopus. Dinosaur.
Skateboard.
Wow! Look, you got your own
Which
skateboard.
one you want? What color?
What color you want? Oh, look at her. She already know how to do it. Look at her. Oh, okay. Oh, be
Look,
careful.
Come on.
Yeah? No? She said no.
Yeah, she likes it.
You like pink?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, here you go. She likes pink like her auntie. Girl, what else did you grab? Let me see. Let me see, Riri. What else did you grab, huh? No, don't you run away from me. Come here. Riri, what else did you grab? Let me see. Are you hiding? Is Riri hiding? Let me see. What is that? What is this? You got a spider?
You can open.
Huh? You can't open it yet. You gotta buy it. Alright guys, so we're at Ollie's now, and y'all, we found like a really nice carpet. So we have one right here already, but this one I feel like we will look really good with our like beige white couch. They have so many carpet options, so if you guys are like looking for a place where to get, you know, big carpets, come to Ollie's. Yeah, they have discounts too. You ready to get your candy, Riri?
Yeah, give me.
What do you want to get?
Look, let her get this.
What?
Those lollipops.
Wow.
Whoa, those lollipops.
Alright guys, so it's a little bit later on the day. I'm ready for it to be a little bit cooler, and when the sun is a little bit down, I'm gonna like clean up my car because it's a little bit messy. You guys see all those water bottles and there's like trash and you take out. Alright, so now I'm at the passenger seat, and this water bottle is here. Oh, forgot about this one.
You got double or you
glasses. I got double too, I think.
Let's get it.
Alright guys, I'm back and I'm gonna put up some more items on the shop. So I already got up some like items up on here, so like these shorts, jeans, and like I'm just gonna put some more jeans and like tops and stuff right now. I'm just gonna show you guys like a little behind the scene and me posting the items too. And yes, and then I just take my phone and go to camera, and what I do is I just like scroll up, click this here 4x3, and I'm going to click square, and then that's how like it gets that little like square box, and then the picture will look exactly like this, like in square, so you don't have to like crop it out or anything. So these are what the picture looks like. Just these like simple, you know, like pictures, and I don't put no filters on them, like the pictures exactly how it looks like. I've actually worn these jeans before, so I've only worn them like one time. Literally almost all my jeans I've only worn one time because I have like so many freaking clothes. These were the jeans, the exact same jeans. I just wore them like one time. I'm gonna use this as a like reference picture on how it looks like on me or like on the body. So I just screenshot it, and then I'm gonna go to my page, and I'm gonna click the multiple button, and then click this as the second slide, third picture, and then the back. It's the blue jeans, blue ripped jeans, and I'm gonna add to my story, and I'm just gonna put new item up, and this is all I do. Alright guys, so I also got this mannequin on Amazon so I can display the clothes. So I'm just gonna put this white top on. So I've been cleaning out my closet for the past week and been decluttering all my clothes, because like I don't even wear most of my clothes anymore. They either like don't fit me or I've only worn it one time. So right here I'm just updating all the new items that were sold. It's first come first serve. Make sure you guys, you know, check out my Instagram page. I post new items daily, and make sure to DM if you have any questions or if you're interested in buying an item. Alright guys, so it's now later on the day and now it's gym time. So today I'm hitting legs.